Good afternoon, back on Red Hills Road today, done 150 square, so like this one behind me, just took out 40mm plane, and then we've put 6mm back, because it is down for slurry seal a few months, so if the weather still keeps good, so they're going to put slurry on top. So done about 300 square on this road with the Portal Pro over various patching before, say, the slurry comes along. I'll try and get in a shade a bit. So yeah, no overbanding is going to be done on these patches, just because, well, it's a bit pointless, to be honest with you. So yeah, and then the hot box, and that's down there. Number 4 or 5 patches to put in, so not a bad place to end a Friday and a week, or bad weather really, to be honest with you. Got some more probably to do next week up the top, but you know, it's not bad for going for a 4-man crew really, to do, you know, 300 square over 2 days, over not 2 consecutive days, but 2 separate days. So yeah, so that's about it really. I don't think there's else much exciting. There's a few, I can see a few more potholes up there, so I'll go have a measure up of them while I'm here. And yeah, I shall go and jump on the roller down there. So there's about another 80 odd square to put back in. So it's not doing bad, it's just, I think it's just gone past dinner. So had a late start. There was a few issues traffic management wise setting up, but once we're on it, we got going. So there's just a few patches dotted here, there, everywhere. So while you know, it's a good train going. So we have the Portal Pro with a tipper traditionally, but a bit tight for the IAB or the Roro to get in. So we've got 2 7.5 tons running. So yeah, we'll play now, sweep up, crop with a 7.5 or a tipper traditionally, or the Roro, and then we'll you know, move on as a train, and then the hot box will come in. That'll do its bit of laying with a tack coat, and then the roller, another 3.5 ton with the roller on. That'll do all the, well, yeah, rolling, and then it moves on quite nicely. So I started up here a few hours ago, and then just gradually moved down, kept ripping, and then so yeah, just kept ripping, and you know, the hot box follows. So now I finished all the ripping, and then I'm going to do all the reinstating from what I've done. So yeah, it's probably a bit of a, you've never caught me up, so yet maybe I need to be faster raking, or yeah, maybe I need a challenge. Maybe I need to do a challenge online, see if anyone wants to try and keep up. Maybe that's a good, that'll get views. So yeah, if anyone wants to challenge me across the UK, maybe we should do that. I'll probably get absolutely slaughtered by someone, won't I? Yeah, probably. But hey ho, it'd be good fun. So I can hear the roller kicking up. So I think that's my turn to go and jump on it. They're just down there out of shot. So say yeah, no overbanding on this one, because it is going to have a surface dressing on. You can just see the 3.5 ton that has brought the roller today. I need a haircut. And then say then you know, 26 ton hot boxes down there, and then the 2 7.5s and the Portal Pro. So I would walk down here, but I think the shade is going to mess up my camera, and my camera skills aren't the best anyway, so we don't need any excuses. But thanks for watching, and yeah, maybe we should do a trial or a race and see if who's the fastest across the country. Yeah, get on it. Thank you. So obviously that's the bigger patch. We've done one down here, so no overbanding. So this has been sprayed up by the engineer what they want doing, and then say they'll come and put a slop, as I call it, on top, and then yeah, and our surface dressing. That's why I think some might not be picked up, but done everything they asked. And then you've got the hot box in the distance. Yeah, I think probably, yeah, there's about 5 ton left when we looked about 10 minutes ago, so we should be cooking on gas, as they previously say. We're going to give them a hand, and I'll take a video of the last one.